Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Ring alarm base station after power outage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure your Ring alarm base station is unplugged from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds to allow the device to reset completely. Plug the base station back into a power outlet. Observe the light on the front of the base station. When the light turns solid white, it indicates that the device is starting up. This process may take a few minutes. Once the light turns solid green, your base station is ready for setup. Now, open the Ring app on your smartphone. If prompted, log into your Ring account using your credentials. Select the Set up a device option. Choose Security Devices from the list. Find and select Ring Alarm Base Station. Follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup. If required, ensure that your Wi-Fi network is selected correctly. Once the base station is connected to Wi-Fi, it will perform a quick system check. Make sure that all sensors connected to your Ring alarm are functioning properly. You can do this by checking the status of each sensor in the app. If any sensors are offline, power cycle them as well by removing and reinserting the batteries. After confirming all devices are connected, test the alarm by triggering it. Make sure to verify that notifications are working as expected. Your Ring alarm should now be fully restored and operational. Congratulations, you've successfully restored your Ring alarm base station after a power outage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.